You didn't have to open it as wide, but
there's a hole right there.
So wait, what are you guys trying to find?
Oh, we didn't make a ground spot.
right there on that bumper, right there where the little eye,
Right here.
where the hook goes.
Well,
It's probably rusty.
Yeah.
Should I hurry and grind something, right?
Grab the buffer wheel.
How's it out?
I just had it. I swear. It's right here. It's still plugged in.
Okay, just clean off a spot right there.
Okay. Here, Dad, hold this.
Gotcha.
That's recording. Oh, okay.
Get your glasses.
Yeah, I just realized. Right here, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, that'll work.
yeah,
Just
so-
get even though we're thinner than 8, it'll give us enough to kind of burn it.
That's the right kind of fadeaway he's going with it is to go burn. Let's see. Is that good? Should I have done more? So we just do one side at a time, basically?
Yeah.
Alright. Devin, you're the man.
I guess.
I mean, I wish I could weld. I still have something on my bucket list that I need to learn. Okay, what's up, guys? So today we are putting in the frame mounts to my motor. I won't be able to get this done, sadly, anytime soon. A bunch of stuff has come up, and plus I'm going to California, so that's also another reason why I'm not getting this done. So, more of the story is just patience is a virtue, especially with this truck. But, yeah.
So I got like 3 right-handed gloves.
Yeah, that's awesome, huh?
Okay. We're just gonna tack it. Here.
You want it up higher.
Probably just a touch.
Right there?
Yep. Tell me when you're gonna go.
Okay.
Okay. Is it gonna stay?
Looks like it.
Okay. Everything looks.
That's still something I need to learn. I haven't really taken too much of welding classes.
Probably gonna break the weld.
That's alright. I kind of figured.
Okay. Lay one at the bottom so it doesn't lift up. That's about the angle we want. Okay. Okay, that should be good. That should hold us. Can you reach and get right here so that that can't move?
Just right there on that corner.
Yeah. I can get it from here if you want. Now, once we're all done, you know how it's hanging below the frame? We could just raise it up and just get in there, cut off and just cut it off even and then round it off with the flapper wheel. Make that look good.
Okay. Didn't look like I was getting it, but I am. Because it lifts out right there.
Finally making some progress on Little Bill again. I'll show you guys what I got so far. So I got the frame mounts finally. Measured it out and have them welded.
It's done right there. By the transmission.
I'm good right
See
here.
from right there.
I can see right here.
You got your helmet down?
Yeah. So now we're just getting those brackets on. Finally, we got the tack welding and stuff. Let me go ahead and put that down. Hey, what's up YouTube? Okay guys, so today I got a special video. I got Little Bill home with me at the moment, and I'll tell you guys why. And also another thing too is I'm gonna show you guys how to put on a decal today. So let's get right down to it. First things first, I got everything is brought home from the college. Today, the reason why is because today was my last day of college. You know, I'm done. First year of automotive done. Woo! But yeah, anywho, got all my parts scattered. I'm gonna be rearranging everything. Truck is gonna be basically a storage unit. I got my camper here, and as you guys remember, Little Bill came with the camper, and I took it off because we all know that campers are freaking ugly. But I'm gonna be cleaning it up a little bit, making it look nice. Getting ready to leave Decal. I leave next week. I got a whole week from today. Today's Wednesday, the 25th, I believe, and I just leave it. I leave 1 week from today, but I'm gonna be cleaning this out. I got a new banner for you guys. This banner over here, I bought it from this guys they call themselves Locals. They're from Canada. They're really cool. They drive a bunch of imports. I want to move out. I want to move out to Canada because their import. How do I explain this? Like, their import limitations are a lot less. No. Screw it. Okay, no, I'll put it this way. So for the US, we have a 25-year limit before we can actually import vehicles. And Canada is 15. Why? I have no idea. The reason for the US is because a lot of the Japanese cars, or cars that you would want to be imported that aren't here, obviously, they didn't pass safety and emissions, and it costed the companies way too much to like rebuild them to pass our safety and emissions laws in the US. So they just said screw it and just kept them away from us, which really sucked because who doesn't want to see a Skyline or for example, like the older STI Subarus, or even the very beginning of the Evo. Like, who wouldn't have wanted to see that? But we didn't get the Evo until about 2003, or the Subaru STI until 2004, and we never got an S15 in the US, and we also never got Skylines. We did get the 350Z though. The 350Z does kind of like have attributes of the Skyline, but it doesn't at the same time. But then again, I could be wrong there, so if I'm wrong, please correct me. Thank you guys. Another thing too is start asking me questions. I'm not yet to 100 subscribers yet, but I'm just about there. Start asking me questions, and yeah. But let's get the ball rolling on this thing. Yum. I won't be needing this because I'm gonna be getting a whole new one. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys how to put on a decal or a window banner. What I'm going to be doing it on my back window right here. So this is what I usually use. I've been told I've been pretty good to put these on, but a lot of people have also asked me to help them like put them on too. And I'll just show you guys how I do it and what I've used that's worked. So first things first, you want to have a clean table or a clean slate at all times. So, you know, get microfiber cloth or any type of rag that you can honestly find. I grabbed microfiber because they're known as like one of the best to clean windows, the best, supposedly. Not too sure, but you know. So, you know, just kind of just clean your window. Sorry for showing my butt. Okay. So, you got the clean slate. This is what I like to do. It's not a bad idea to have some tape by you. I got duct tape. That's all I really had. So, what I like to do is just find your spot where you want to put it. First things first. Like always, find your spot first. So where I was thinking was kind of just in the middle, like right here. And let's see. Okay. And then you also want to measure out like where you're at too. And I'm not gonna go super in depth by like going like, oh yeah, three quarters of an inch, or you know, I'm just gonna really just send it. But if you really want like honest dimensions like that, then get a tape measure and do all that fun stuff. But for me, I just want to stick this bad boy on because you know that's what I want. And that's looking pretty straight right there. So there's that. All right, and here's the fun part. So now you're gonna take the decal, rip it apart very carefully. And this is what I like to do. I like to fold that kind of just behind and get where I want this piece right here. Usually I have scissors and I just cut it off, but I don't at the moment, so I'm just gonna have to do it like this. Let's see. Okay, come on. Don't touch. Okay. So I like to fold the paper kind of behind like this and find my spot. And you just lay your first letter down. And what I like to use is a credit card. Here I have an old Walmart gift card that I got for Christmas like 2 years ago. It's pretty handy for stuff like this, let me tell you. But you lay your first letter down. You want to kind of use this as a squeegee, get all the bubbles out, make sure it sticks. Do that to the W. Okay, and look, W is already on. And you just kind of come over and just keep it going. Oh no! Well, it's all right. We already got that side stuck, so we're fine. No, it messed up. Okay, so I messed up right here. It's gonna... Shit. Even worse. Okay, so let's see. Let's hope that they don't tear off. Oh, yeah, buddy. Okay. There's gonna be a bubble right there. Great. Well, there's gonna be a bubble in the G. Sorry about that. Like I said, I'm not professional. I just know how to make them look pretty good. And you know, right at this point, that's all I really care about, is just making it look good. Alright, so I got it pretty majority of it's on there. Now the next thing is just to take it off. And I just realized it's not that center. But it's still gonna look good, so let's go for it. So what you do next is you just peel the rest of the sheeting off, and the white letters should stay. And with this, you wanna go very slow. And there we have it. We got ourselves a work in progress sticker. Alright guys, so right now, next thing I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be doing a time lapse on me cleaning up my truck basically. So hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys want to just skip to the end of the video, just go for it, find the end, and I'll give you guys my outro and all that fun stuff, okay? Alright guys, so bear with me a little bit. So when I put that sticker on, it's not really that straight, but it'll definitely do. It'll definitely do for what I want it for, and it serves its purpose. So I'm pretty sure you guys can already see it behind me. It really means a lot to me, because the reason why I say that, so work in progress, you know, every vehicle, every project car that you get, it's always going to be a work in progress, no matter what. And I just felt like I just needed to put this on this truck, because I've had this truck for almost a year, and I've literally driven it for a total of like 2.5 months. And one of my biggest goals was to just do an engine swap, and you know, that's what I'm doing right now. And yeah, but there's definitely going to be more content on Little Bill, but not for a while. I'm going to be moving to California for 4 months. It's like I said, it's going to be next week. Going there, I'm going to take you guys along with me on the journey. I'm going to try and hit up a bunch of car meets. See who I can meet, you know, find out more new people. I actually really would like to do this. I actually want to go to a few car shows. I want to be able to meet TJ Hunt for the first time, and possibly Premium Auto Styling, and maybe Dustin Williams, but who knows. That's my biggest goal right now, is to meet one of those 3 YouTubers. And yeah, but thanks for watching guys, and I'll talk to you guys later.